welcome to Sarah Oprah, and as you can all see, it is raining outside. Ta-da! And guess where I am? Niagara Falls! Yay! And today we're going to talk about the rain. Yeah, what he said. But not just any rain, the falls. Where it gets all colorful. At night. Yeah. It's pretty.
Yeah, it's very pretty. It's really pretty. And the fireworks were very pretty when we went there.
Yeah, what the invisible person said. Yeah. And as you can all see, it's raining, pouring, and colorful.
Spit the camera.
Okay. As you can all, and colorful. As you can all see, today is the end of our show. So come back tomorrow for some more sour. Oh